Hello, my great and wonderful people. We welcome you all once again to our today's episode of this program. And today we get some news for our table. When it be said, we quickly carry come. Still concerning the things when they happen for inside this country, Nigeria. This very one, it not too much shock us. You know why? Because if they don't fire one person, I bet make una no vex say I dey laugh. Yes, if foreigners when it be say if you want try to let Nigeria know say corruption not be the best way. Now they don't fire am. All right, well they show una the basic of this news and the things when it be say it pertain to this news when it be say that they fire this man, this Dutchman when it be say he want try to let Nigeria know say corruption not be the best way. And he won't try to let Nigeria know the best system to follow. Now they don't give her a sack letter. We will look in details of the content of this news. And also we will see the show una so many other things for the process of this program. And for us to begin properly, in case today not the first time when we say they hear about us for this channel, but this we say you are highly welcome. I beg make you not forget to help us hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that anytime we take bring a new update, you know go the suffer to look for it will only come to you like a message. And our prayer remember say the same way when we say to the support us for this channel. The same way when God will send people, when will they support you for everything when it's good, when you put your hands to do. In Jesus' name. Amen. All right, my people, may we go straight to the details of this news. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, the come us understand say a top Dutch diplomat when it be say in name na Hans Smangli say they don't give her a sack letter for his own position after he be say don't make some comment about alleged unethical conduct and corruption when it be say so many country businessmen they operate for inside the country Nigeria. And still on top of the matter, the comic us understand say smuggling say it come Nigeria between the year of 2015 and 2018 when it be say it can't seek for business opportunity or also economic interest for Netherlands. And not be only that one say for so many times it don't repeatedly warn the country's Ministry of Foreign Affairs of endemic corruption for inside the country Nigeria. And again, the comic us understand say, according to Smangli, say it dey impossible to advance Dutch businesses for inside Nigeria without it be say person not put in hand for dirty things. NRC when it be Dutch online news outlet now in report this issue. And as we go deep again, it got to say to bring assignment into this very country Nigeria, say without it be say you not pay any bribe, say na impossible something. It can still talk again say whether Nigeria politicians say whether they get excited, they happy, without it be say Dutch companies say it not give them any gifts. Say na also impossible something. And it can talk say to announce this kind of message for Hague, which means an international criminal court, say na complicated and also unfortunate issue as it continue to repeat this thing. And it can see for that talk say the country which is Netherlands say it become Nigeria for its own self to advocate for Netherlands to work on the investment climate and also to build the country on macroeconomic stability, reforms and regulation, but it not find favor with the authority for the foreign ministry. And again, the comic us understand say the newspaper say in report say Smangli's position say they create him in the year 2012 after it be said the Foreign Economic Relations Department say they don't transform him from Economic Affairs to Foreign Affairs Ministry. And still on top of the matter, the country say this new position say they create him to promote the competitive position for the Netherlands. And not be only that one say economic envoy and also regional business developer. Say this special envoy say they station am to the areas of economic interest to the Netherlands such as Singapore, Dubai, Lima, Copenhagen, and also Nigeria. And after 34 years of field service, say Smanglish say he knows perfectly well how Dutch businesses operate abroad, and as well how to facilitate this as a diplomat, and also how to keep things in appropriate distance. And again, he can talk say he writes something for a contribution for weekend fodder for the ministers, and inside the something he addressed endemic corruption in Nigeria. And he can talk say I write to find out say it dey strange to see say Dutch government say they facilitate companies when it be say they deal with corrupt practices. And for us to conclude this whole matter, he can talk say we know they go back to the time of the Governor General when it be the former Dutch East Indies, when he name na Abraham van Riebeeck, when he talk say corruption, although na immoral something, but it dey beneficial. And not be only that one, he also mentioned Shell. And now it dey very clear, say no company, not be even Shell when it be say he escape gross corruption for inside Nigeria. And again, the contour say Smanglish say he dey talk regularly with Mr. Patrick when he be the ambassador when they removed from his own post for the year 2019 after he himself don't leak secret information about criminal investigation on Shell to the oil company. All right, my great and wonderful people. Now, this one be the news when it be say we receive from a very valuable source. When it be Dutch diplomat, when it can they reveal the secrets when it be say they go on for inside our country, and also the way when it be say that they give a sack letter because of the things when it be say he reveal when the things say na secret na in be this very one. And before we go leave una make una share una opinion with us for the comment section, we want like to talk say Nigeria na shameful something, a very shameful nation. For every one of them when they put hands together to make this thing they go on this manner, say na very shameful something to them. Yes. You know why would they talk this thing not pass be say? I think for about 2 days now with the God don't they make things, they do some kind of revelation when it be say a lot of these foreign bodies, they don't they speak up of the corrupt engagement when it be say they make to make sure say this Nigeria come together as one. The wrong foundation when it be say they build this nation upon. A lot of them don't they speak out. 2 days ago we make a video of a white man when it be say they employ this British employ specifically to make things difficult, and also the first election when it be say they ring for this country. Yes, he and his wife, we make that video. If you say if you never watch that video, go under our series here. You will see the video here when it concerns white man and his wife, how it explain right from the beginning, from amalgamation, how the British, although we don't hear this story over and over again for a long time, but this one now for a very confirmed source, the person when it be say he pertain from this very activity come out to make a publication. He also go ahead to make us understand, say he get a book when he be say he himself write concerning this whole issue, not be only this very video when he be say he showcase so up till now, waiting our leaders they do about all these things. They don't want to do anything. They not will do anything. Why? Because of say it they beneficiary to them. Yes, for all this corrupt way, when it be say all these white people they see as corrupt way, so then to the Nigerians elites, to them it they beneficiary to their own pockets. Yes, they feel enrich their pockets. They feel send their children abroad. It not affect them. That is why they not will do anything about them. Yes, we even go ahead when during the interview when they asked this white man when he leaked the interview of the re-election when they ring. I mean the first election when he give the opportunity to the caliphate when it be say they make them they dominate Nigeria till today. The public video when it be say we don't make about a days ago. He also talk say if this kind of thing happen in Britain, say now direct jail, now the person they go. But why be say this kind of things they prevail for Nigeria? Now because of say our politicians they see and say now for their own self benefits, not be for the benefit of the nation. They stand to say they represent our nation. They not they represent us. They not they represent the least of us. That they represent their own pockets. And this man smartly go ahead to ask some kind of terrible question here just now. He say, can any investment enter Nigeria without bribe? He say, na impossible something. Can any engagement of any kind, when it be supposed to be for the development of the land, for the betterment of the life of the citizen, without bribe? He said, na impossible something. Before it will come Nigeria, bribe must take place. Which is to say, that those people, when they call themselves the cancers, they must be settled. That is why, when it be said the money, when it be said you're supposed to come use to do better something for Nigeria, you use and come settle the one or two people, when it be say, yes, they see themselves as the Jagaban of Nigeria. Tell me how that business will take prevail. You know if it prevail. You know, several times we don't hear about this issue of the Chinese companies, investors say that they come Nigeria. So over the years that they give loan to Nigeria and they not they see the evidence of the loan when it be say the project when they use and they carry out. Shey it don't declare to us now. The reason why it be say they will carry loan from China. They will say, okay, they want build bridges. They want build railway. Say at the end, you know we'll see the railway, you know we'll see the loan, you know we'll see the people when they be say he carry this loan. Why? Because I say this money is based on settlements of these people when they call themselves carcass. Yes, it is very clear. According to this smuggling now, we don't understand the system when they be say yes, things they go. Nobody need to ask question again, say why it continuously be like this. That is why you will see say, this very administration that will go on to borrow and borrow and borrow again. At the end of it all, we know they see what that they borrow for. We know they see the investment. What they should they still go ahead now and say they go borrow money for to restore power? How many times when we say we don't borrow money at the expense of power? Up to now, we still there on darkness. My people, see, if you are still a part and parcel of this habit of one Nigeria, it be like say something, it really did wrong with your brain. And our brain, permit me to use that word, because I continue to get understanding with the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, say something is definitely wrong with us with the black. I agreed 100%. Something did wrong with us, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Something did wrong with us because we know they think well. We know they think well. Why it be say I thought say we know they think well? Because we know they think about our own neighbor. We know they think about our own soil. We they think about our own personal pocket. That our own personal pocket, you know, the waiting make and the worst, not pass we say. We will take this money as bribe. We will take them from this foreign now when it be say he give us so. And to the extent when we be say we take they foolish, we will still carry this money, still go bank for their own land. They will go still use and they develop their land. Whereas we, when it be say they give this money, we dey in darkness. With our land, they suffer for every kind of infrastructure when it be say we feel think about for this earth. And if we dey sick, we will still run back to their own country. They will still treat us and we will still pay them. Our money dey their bank. They use and they how our mentality they see now. White men now they open our eye now. Not be this their own country now they talk about now. Our own land now. And our politicians, our leaders, they will see all this thing, they will keep quiet. The worst part of it be say, we get a lot of journalists for Nigeria. When they be say supposed to take up all this case, they investigate. They do investigation upon this little evidence when it be say it did their hand to stand upon to advance, but they not will do anything. No, they not will do anything. But when it thinks of say they want go for beat and laugh, they want go for night of 1,000 life, they want go carry 10 million table, you will see them. A BBC Niger, you go to see them. But when it come in terms of the something to savage our nation, nobody will take up the responsibility. You they wait. Now the one way the white people will do, now they will do. And remember, Nigeria is a sovereign nation. They're not going to go beyond the one when they don't do so. Yes, now so he rich. All right, I will leave una now, make una share una opinion with us on the comment section. And don't forget to help us to share this message so that it will feel still reach every Nigerians. The one we never wake up, may they begin to wake up. Now our responsibility, nobody will do it for us. I will see you again when I see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.